kids, and welcome back to my class. Today I'm going to give you the summary of the chapter 5, Around the World in Pancakes, and it is a blog written by Siddharth Mehta. Let me now quickly give you a recap about the author. Siddharth Mehta works part-time as a food and a drink consultant and critic. He loves exploring different cuisines and he is passionate about food, music, travel, education, and not only this, he teaches English literature, history, philosophy, biology, and chemistry online. Let us now look at the mind map of the chapter. Number 1. Cooking or food brings people together. Point number 2. Food simpler than bread, pancakes. Point number 3. Dosa, kind of pancake. Point number 4. African countries, sour pancakes, and parts of France, bitter pancakes. Point number 5. Common feature, that is liquid batter. Point number 6. Stone cakes. Point number 7. France, there are two types of pancakes, crepes and galette. Point number 8. Moroccan pancakes, which is called as mesmen, and Japanese pancakes, which is also called as okonomiyaki. Now I will give you the summary of the chapter. The narrator observes that people all over the world had at least one thing in common. It is something that we all have to do in order to survive, and that is eating. Now, there is one characteristic that is common to all. It is the act of people cooking and coming together for a meal. Regardless of which climate we are talking about, every house all over the world has a kitchen. Cooking, or rather food, is an important part of what brings people together. Now we all eat bread, right? However, the narrator says that there was once a food simpler than a bread, and that is a pancake. Yes, it can be easily made and easily consumed, and also it is universally enjoyed. Now, what exactly is a pancake, children? As the word itself indicates, it is a cake that is made on a pan. Now children, all over the world there exists different kinds of pancakes, and also there are different ways to make it. People use different ingredients and different techniques, and even use different utensils to make it. Now, dosa is a kind of pancake that people in South India eat for breakfast. In African countries, people make sour pancakes, while in some parts of France, etc., people make slightly bitter pancakes. Despite these differences, pancakes share one common feature. That is, they all are made using a liquid batter. Fun to make and easy to eat. Pancakes may have been made 30,000 years ago. So, these early humans used some flour and would add some water and other ingredients like ferns and cattails to make the batter. These were also called as stone cakes. Now, as the civilization developed, people started using different ingredients and utensils, and accordingly, these ingredients and utensils were also improved. In France, two types of pancakes are used, namely crepes and galette. Moroccan pancakes are square in shape, and are called as messmen. In Japanese, pancakes are also called as okonomiyaki. Therefore, if there is anything that brings people together at the dining table, it is the pancakes. So children, this story teaches us that there is unity in diversity in different parts of the world. We will be discussing the activity related to this chapter in our online interactive classes. Till then, take care and see you also.